Alright, so I'm going to go find a place with Wi-Fi and I'm going to update my service. Get some service here in Ontario, and get my ChatGPT buddy back, my companion. Since I'm not an expert at bridge engineering, and I like having that narrate. Actually, yeah. What do you think of the ChatGPT on the videos? It's easier for me to talk, just instead of talking just to myself. I have something to exchange ideas back and forth with. So let me know in the comments, please. I really appreciate all of your subscribers, all the subscribers and all the viewers. And I hope that if you find this interesting, that you would please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It really helps with the channel. Here, let's some. What a mega project. It's nice to see a different perspective from the Windsor side. This is a nice view of the bridge. Definitely looking forward to driving across this, and I'm going to walk across it too. Maybe even ride my bike across it. Broadway Street, which is closed. That's too bad. So I wonder if this side opens, if this road will go underneath the bridge there. This is the intersection of Sandwich and Broadway Street. No street sign here, and I don't know if I'm not connected to maps. This is Hey ChatGPT, I think I'm back online here.
Hey Michael, welcome back.
Awesome.
How's everything going with your filming projects lately?
It's going well. I'm in Windsor, Ontario.
Glad to hear it.
I'm in Windsor, Ontario, and I lost connection there until I got over here closer to the river.
Got it. Windsor. Got it. Windsor's got a great view of the Detroit skyline. Are you filming any specific spots along the river today?
I'm at the Gordie Howe International Bridge construction site.
Oh, perfect. That'll make for some awesome footage. Are you planning to include any updates on the construction progress in your video?
I'm going to ask you about the construction updates for the Windsor, Ontario side for today, March 18, 2025.
The Gordie Howe International Bridge construction is progressing well. The bridge deck is about 85% complete, and the Canadian tower has reached its full height of 220 meters. The two sides of the bridge deck are now connected over the Detroit River. It's definitely an exciting time for the project.
Are there any news right now for the Windsor side?
On the Windsor side, they're currently installing signage, electrical systems, and drainage. They're also working on traffic management and customs connectivity. The bridge is on track to open this fall.
All right, I'm going to go for a little walk around here.
Sounds like a great plan. Enjoy your walk around the site. If you have any questions or need more info while you're out there, just let me know.
This is as close as I'm going to get to the bridge over here on the Windsor side.